Toyota Vitz 1.0 FL 1999 Best Budget Car 140,000 kilometers Own Engine Outclass Condition Budget Car. And please like subscribe. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great today. In this video, I'm bringing you a compact car that is perfect for daily city driving, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance, the Toyota Vitz 1.0 FL. This is a 1999 model, registered in 2006, and it's a great option for people who want a reliable small car with low running cost. This Toyota Vitz comes with 140,000 kilometers on the meter, and it is running on its own original engine. The engine sound is smooth and healthy, and the performance is stable for daily use. If you are looking for a car that you can drive without stress for office, market, or short trips around the city, this Vitz is a very practical choice. Toyota cars are known for reliability, and this Vitz is no exception. Even after many years, it still offers dependable performance. The body condition of this car is extraordinary for its age. The white color looks clean and fresh, giving the car a neat appearance. It is a two-door variant, which makes it a bit unique and sporty in look. The car has been well maintained, and when you see it in person, you will notice that it still looks presentable and attractive. Finding an older model car in such good condition is not easy, so this is a good opportunity for buyers who want a budget-friendly option in clean condition. The interior of this Toyota Vitz is neat and clean. The seats are in good condition, the dashboard is intact, and there are no major cracks or broken parts inside. The cabin feels simple but comfortable, which is perfect for daily commuting. The driving position is comfortable, and the steering feels light, making it very easy to drive in city traffic and tight parking spaces. This car is especially good for new drivers and people who want an easy-to-handle vehicle. When it comes to fuel efficiency, this Vitz 1.0 FL is a very economical car. The 1.0-liter engine is designed to give good average, which helps you save money on fuel in the long run. In today's time, fuel economy is very important, and this car is a smart option for people who want low running costs. Maintenance is also affordable, and spare parts are easily available in the market, making ownership simple and stress-free. The driving experience of this Vitz is smooth for city use. The car feels light, responsive, and easy to control. It is perfect for narrow streets, busy roads, and daily errands. Parking is also very easy because of its compact size. Whether you are going to work, dropping kids to school, or doing daily shopping, this car fits well into your routine without any hassle. This car is suitable for students, small families, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly second car. It is also a good option for someone who is learning to drive, because it is simple to control and forgiving on the road. The overall condition of this car makes it stand out among other cars of the same model and year in the market. The price for this Toyota Vitz is $15,75,000, which is reasonable considering its condition, originality, and reliability. Clean and well-maintained cars in this price range are hard to find, especially with original engine and neat body condition. If you are looking for a reliable small car that is easy to maintain and affordable to run, this Vitz is definitely worth checking out. If you are interested and want more details, pictures, or to finalize the deal, contact an inbox now. Serious buyers only. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like such honest car reviews and budget car deals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content.